So what is up everyone, welcome to PhyizE channel, and today in this tutorial we're going to be treating with ourselves on how to start with the major basic tools in Revit architecture, and that is what we're just going to be doing tonight. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel if you're just here, because I share most of CAD tutorials as my content. I make use of AutoCAD, Revit, Protal, Orion, and softwares like that I know you architects and engineers will surely want to learn. So I want you guys to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you're clicking the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you get a free notification to so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So the thing I'm just going to be showing you now is just the basic tools you should understand while going learning Revit and stuff like that. So the first thing you actually need to the first thing you need to press is just to come to this modify, and here we have the align, the offset, we have the mirror while you pick the axis, we have what's wrong, we have the mirror while you draw the axis, we have the split with gap. This is to unpin, the move, the copy, the rotate. This is the trim, extend to corner. This is the trim, extend single element, trim, extend multiple elements, and this is just the delete. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually go around with this tools. So let's say we're going with our wall, WA as just the basic thing. So let's say we're drawing a line, a wall here, and we have another wall here. So if you actually want to make use of the align is just to set. So if I want to bring this one to this, if I want to bring the length of this one to the length of this wall, I can actually come to the align, select the edge of the wall, and select the other edge of the wall which I actually want the other wall to extend itself to. So if I should just press, you see it aligns the wall to the same length. That is how the align command work, and the shortcut for the align is AL or so. Yeah, that is it. So for the offset, the command is OF for the shortcut. So offset is just like making a duplication of an element with a specific distance. So if I want to offset a wall at 1.2, so that means I'm going to be offsetting this 1.2 to the back. If you can see the dashes that has been created, which signifies where the offset is going to be moving. But if I want to offset it to the front, that means I have to come to the front and then just click on whatever you want to offset. So even if I want to offset this, I can just click it and I can even offset that. So that is just how you can actually go with that. So most of the time you don't actually need the mirror pick axis, but you can actually make use of the mirror draw axis. So whenever you click on the mirror, is just like making a copy. Also, that is my alarm, so sorry for that. So mirror is just like making a copy of any element, and pasting it to the other side. So let's say we are clicking on the mirror, we can just that is the mirror, which is the DM. So we can actually just let's try again, click on it. Let's try to do it this way. Let's go to the elevation, and let's go to the west elevation. So let's say we have we want to edit this. So let's say we have let's say we deleted that, and let's say we are drawing a line like this. So if I want to mirror this to this other side, I can just come to the mirror and then pick the axis, then draw it up. So that means I've actually made another duplication of, you understand what I'm trying to say? So that means I've actually copied the line to this other side. So that is just how you can make use of the mirror with the axis. So if I want to try and move things, that is when you can just come to the mirror. So just to the move rather. So just click on the move MV for the shortcut, and then click on whatever you want to move, and then press space or anyhow you want to do it. So let's click on the object we want to move, then come to move. So we can just actually move it to this other side. So that is how you can move line and stuff like that. So you can just click on whatever you want to move, come to the move command, and then just click whatever you want to move. But we can't just move outside what we're doing now, so that is why Revit does not allow such a thing. So let's say we want to delete this. Let's delete it first. So let's delete this also. That is just the basic tool. That is just how to use the delete. So let's say we want to copy. Let's select a line. So if we actually want to copy this, let's click on it, then we click on the copy. So we come to this other side and just copy it there. So that is how you can actually make use of the copy. So to rotate, just click on the element, same thing, come to the rotate here, and then click either the beginning or the end. And if you actually want to make a duplicate of the rotation, you can just click on the copy. So that means we still have this here, but have another line to the copied center that was sitting. So we just click it and then try to turn it. Just that is just what rotation is all about. So if we're turning it like that, that means we are making another one because we clicked on the copy. So because we checked on the copy. So that's just, let's delete it. So going to the trim rather, let's just try to move this forward, and then I can show you how to make use of the trim. So we just come to the trim and click on the first line and click on the second line, just to make a corner of whatever we want to do. So the last one is just the delete. Actually we can actually make use of the pin. So if you just come here and pin the line, that means we cannot move this line again. That is just how to. And then the fastest way you can unpin it is just to click on this. So that is how you can actually make use of that. So if it is that you want to delete, you can just click on the line, then click on this red star. So we can just actually finally make use of the trim to join these other lines together, and then click on the check mark. So that is it. It is a very simple thing that you guys should actually understand how you can go over with it. Knowing all those basic tools, you are just getting started and just like getting to the middle of the road. So I want you guys to make sure subscribing to my channel, because I make CAD tutorials like this, and I post videos 3 times a week on CADs and things you should know as an architect and as an engineer. So I make react videos sometimes. So I want you guys to make sure you subscribing to my channel. Love you more than you love yourself. That is it. So without further ado, I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Thank you.